the airline customer service will become the new gatekeeper of immigration law. I'll tell you how is that going to happen. The new proposed changes has mentioned it very clearly that if you're a British national, you have to carry your British passport at the time you travel. Simple enough. What happens to the people who had limited leave to remain or temporary visa? Like someone has 2 years work permit. Someone is on a human rights visa having 30 months leave to remain. Well, the government new proposal clearly mentions that from January 2026, there is no visa which is stamped on your passport can be used. Every entitlement or leave to remain has to be connected with your eVisa account, and likewise your valid proof of ID, it could be passport, it could be other form of ID, but mainly passport, has to be linked to the eVisa account. If you're a British national, this could also impact you if you have dual nationality. That means every time you come to the UK, you have to make sure you carry your British passport, because any entitlement which is endorsed or stamped on your passport will not be accepted. And guess what? Before you can even reach the immigration authority, you will be stopped and asked these sort of questions by the airline workers. So they're essentially becoming a gatekeeper. What they are asking to do, or they have been trained to do, is that they will check your entitlement or immigration status or other confirmation using the system, the digital system. The crucial problem is if your eVisa status has not been updated accordingly, there is nothing you can do. You will simply be not allowed to board the plane. So therefore, it is very important that your eVisa account is updated, and accordingly it gives the exact information or the correct information. Another problem that can come with it is people who are elderly are also not technically savvy. What do? So you really have to get used to using different kinds of apps or digital process whereby you can show your immigration status or your other confirmation to the people who wants to check before they allow you to board the plane. There is other changes that is coming. The non-visa national people, say for instance traveling from Japan or America, they don't need visa to enter the UK. But what they do need to do is they have to get an ETA. Drop your thoughts and comments in the comment section. It helps us to understand what areas of law interest you. It could be family law, criminal, housing matters, conveyancing, buying and selling shops or houses. Let us know.